Welcome back to Kim's Art Alchemy. My resin, which is Epoxy Resin by NicPro, it's a 1-to-1, has reached 94, has reached 34, 33, 34, 35, somewhere in there. Ooh, 35 degrees. I decanted a little itty bit over here. I'm gonna do a Bloom+Larimar and see if it'll work. So I need to make my bloom about that size, which is why I've only mixed up a itsy wincy little bit of resin. And for the bloom, I'm going to, of course, use Julie's bloom paste. You can get it off of, I think you can get it from Amazon, as well as Julie's Pouring Your Heart Out website on eBay. So that's what I'm gonna use in that little thing. And I thought I would color my white, this mint blue by Artfinity. So that's the plan. So here we go. See, bloom paste, pouring your heart out. So I'm not gonna need the full drop. I think I'm just gonna get some on the end of my stick, let some fall off, and that's what I'm gonna use to mix in here, and then I'll see. So I got this little teeny tiny silicone mold. You can get them just about off any site, Amazon, Temu, wherever. And you can mix up just a little tiny bit of whatever it is that you want to mix up. I think that's looking pretty good. Pretty good indeed. All right, let me wipe that off. So this is the color of that mint blue. I just grabbed it randomly. I'm gonna do 1 drop in there. I should get this all spread out though too. Looks like I have a little hair in there. Probably a little acorn hair. And doing that with your molds tends to pop those bubbles off of the surface. Not all of them, usually, but come on, I see ya. There you are. All right, 1 drop. That'll be pretty. All right, let's mix. So I didn't want it to be white because with the larramar, the lines are white. So I wanted something to make the bloom part stand out a little bit more. That's gonna need more. It is a nice mint green though. 1 more drop. 1 more drop. What the heck? Okay. Mint blue. The only thing about using a cup this small is gotta be super careful when stirring. Yeah, I like that. Nice light mint blue. Okay, so small bloom. I'm wondering if I should add a drop in there. No, let's just go. Let's just go. Normally I drop ink too. This feels weird. I don't really want to do any more. All right, let's let that sit. Oh my gosh, look at all that. Please bloom nicely. We're back for layer 2. All right, second layer is the Larramar. So I mixed up a total of 142 grams of resin, and then I decanted in a couple of cups. This is gonna be my white, and last time I put 4 drops in, so I'm gonna do 4 drops again in here using Julie's Bloom paste. One, 2, I don't know what that was. 3, 4. Okay. Seal that up. And I'm gonna give this a quick stir so it can start spreading and doing its thing. Let's get the other colors going. I was debating what to do, whether to do the pink or the mauve. So many choices, but I know I'm doing the Phthalo Turquoise. So these are acrylic inks by Holbein, and I think I'm gonna put I'm gonna do 7 drops of the Phthalo Turquoise. Very dark in the cup, but still transparent on the stick and on the side of the cup. That looks good. Come back, give this another good stir. I don't know. I feel like I need to add more. I'm gonna add another drop. The resin that I'm using is the NicPro resin. And it is a 3:2 resin, 3 parts A to 2 parts B. And it looks like this. Let's stir that additional drop in, and then I'll see. Let's see. Better. I think I'm gonna go with the pink because the pink and the blue will give me the purple. So let's do that. Put 7 drops in there and we'll stir and see what that gives us. I did 7, I think I'm gonna do 9. All right, I think that's good. So 7 and 9. Okay. And my white. That's okay. Hope that's okay. Okay. And now I'm gonna do the dark. Just gonna dump her in. And that white should come up over it. Yep, it is. Oh my goodness. I'm being messy today. Holy smokes. And then the magenta. And then we pray. Pray to those resin gods. Try and center that a little more, hopefully. I'm gonna put you guys on a bit of a time lapse. Time to crack her open. Oh my goodness. It looks like it formed well. Now, for those that like that creaking noise. Creaking? I don't know what that noise. That disassembling noise? Not sure. All right, here we go. Oh, I like it. I like it a lot. Wow. But where did my pink go? Where did my pink go? I see the blue, and then the blue went very dark. Maybe that's supposed to be the purple. Hold on, let me get a flashlight. If you don't like flashlights, look away. It's just very dark. Huh. But that's really cool. Let me see. If I shine it up. There's your purple. Yep, there's the purple. Interesting. And the pink. Ooh, I like it, I like it, I like it. I kind of wish that bloom was a little brighter, bolder, perhaps. But I actually, for this piece, I like it the way it is. It's subtle and doesn't detract from the effects of the outside at all. Ooh, 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 ooh. Kim's Bloom+Larimar. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you so much for being with me on this crazy experimental journey that we are all on. If you're new here, please hit that subscription button, hit the thumbs up, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye for now.